Hey guys, welcome to Techers Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about AI animation generator or how to create your own 3D animation with AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In this era of artificial intelligence, anyone can create their own 3D animation movie, even without any knowledge about 3D animation. So in this tutorial, we will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks, and we'll start off onto creating an account on AI Tools Arena or Deep Motion AI. So just a quick introduction onto what is Deep Motion AI. So this is actually a company that specializes in developing intelligent digital stimulation technologies. So at the core of its offerings, it is an advanced motion capture software that utilizes artificial intelligence to create realistic animation. So whether it is for video games, films, or virtual reality, Deep Motion AI's technology is empowering creators to bring their visions to life with unprecedented realism. Here are the key features of this software. So you could go ahead and browse through that, and you'll just need to head onto the bottom part of it so that you could go ahead and click onto the Visit Deep Motion AI to visit their webpage. Now you'll get redirected onto this page in here so that we could go ahead and create an account onto Deep Motion AI. So as you can see, this is what its website would look like. So it is actually accessible motion capture anywhere, anytime, any device, no suits, no hardware, and no limitation. So these are some of its examples and some of its partners. And here are some of its samples that it will do with your video. So as you can see, and this is also the review. And for us to get started, let's just go ahead and click onto the sign up button in here to create an account. Now to create a freemium account, so there is no credit card needed since as per its name, it is actually free. Then you'll just need to type in your first name, last name, your email address, and then your company. And then right after, you will describe what's your interest in anime 3D. So you have different choices in here. And how did you hear about the Deep Motion? And you'll just need to go on through a quick verification process, and then right after, just simply click on to get started to start using the website. Now it will redirect you to enter your password and choose a forgot password question. You could choose something in here, and you're just gonna go ahead and simply click on to create my account. Now as you can see, here are the different plans and pricing that Deep Motion offers. We have the freemium, which we're gonna use in here since there's no credit card needed, and this is actually for free, which is 60 credits per month. And you also have the starter at $9, innovator $17, professional $39, and studio at $83. So you're just gonna go ahead and click onto the certain button that you want to use, and you could also browse through all of the features that it offers. So since we've liked this freemium in here, or the free one, let's just gonna go ahead and click onto the get started in here. Since we have an account already, let's just head onto the sign in button here onto the upper part. After logging into Deep Motion AI, you'll just need to click onto the Animate 3D menu, and you can follow the guide by clicking the Get Started button in here. Now here, if we click onto the 3D models, we could go ahead and choose some stylized avatars. So we're going to go ahead and click onto that so that we could use this certain model in here for our image or video generation. So let's wait for this to load. Now let's choose a body type. Let's go for masculine in here, and then we're just going to go ahead continue without a photo so that we could go ahead and choose a file. So we could have this one, and then let's go ahead and click onto next to load our avatar. Right after, you should be able to see some designs also that you could use in here, like change its clothes, its t-shirt, shirts, and its shoes. You could go ahead and stylize your model in there, and once you're done, you'll just go ahead and click onto next. Then you could also name your character. So let's name it Running Man, since we'll make it run. And then let's click on to save, and you'll receive this pop-up screen right after that your character has been created. So we're just gonna click onto OK. Then right after, let's just go ahead and click on create animation in here. Then as you can see, we have 3D animation single person, and we're just gonna go ahead and drag and drop our photo or our file in here as a reference. So I have a running video. I'm just gonna drag and drop it in here, and let's wait for this to be analyzed. Now we'll need to head onto the video output menu, and then let's go ahead and enable the MP4 output. So let's head back into the animation, and then here onto the enable MP4. Right after that, we're gonna go ahead and select this solid in here as your background, and also you could customize if you want to enable the shadow or not. You could also enable the MP4 background or not. And then right after, you could also change the camera in here if you want it cinematic, fixed, or face. Now once you have already optimized or edited the settings in here as liking, you're just gonna go ahead and click onto create in here. You should be able to receive some summary onto what will happen onto your video, and then right after, let's go ahead and click onto start job. let's just wait for this one to be done so that we should be able to receive our animation video. Now, as you can see, it gone ahead and animated our model as per our added video in here. So since it is a little slow-mo, it is also running a little slow-mo in here. And then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and click onto the download button. Now for the next step is to add a background. So we'll head on to Canva for that. And let's go ahead and try to search in here videos. So we're gonna use this one to create the background, and let's just go ahead and click onto the video in here. And then right after, let's just go ahead and click onto create blank in here so that we could redirect it onto a blank canvas. Now you could just simply choose onto the different video backgrounds that they have here or offer here onto Canva. So you could try to drag it and drop it in here, and then once it's done, you could just go ahead and right click it and set video as a background. So you'll have it like that, and you'll just have to download it. But you don't have to worry if you have already a certain background that you want to use, you could skip this part and head directly onto your video editor. So for this one, we're gonna use CapCut in here as our video editor. So for the first thing that we'll need to do is we're just going to import in here the background that we have, or if you have downloaded it to Canva, and also the animation that we have downloaded earlier. So let's add it in here. Now once added, let's just simply drag and drop it in here, and let's go ahead and add it, the video animation, onto the first part. Then right after, let's adjust some settings in here so that we could remove the background of this video. So let's go ahead and click onto that. And then right after, here onto the cutout, you should be able to see the chroma key. You'll need to turn that one on, and let's choose the color in here, this one, the background, so that it should be removed. Then let's go ahead and adjust the strength in here like that, and you could also adjust where you should put it. And then right after, this should add your video onto your background. Let's just go ahead and add it like that. Simply go ahead and have it shut all over the place. Now once everything is set in here, and once you're satisfied, just simply click onto the export button here onto the upper part and adjust the video resolution and quality if necessary. And that is how you can create your own animation video using AI. So if you want to improve your background animation, additionally, you can use AI tools to add a script and create a voiceover using free text-to-speech AI tools. So in the exciting world of animation, AI tools are transforming the creative process. These AI-driven innovations are invaluable assets for animators, reshaping how stories come to life on screen. AI is seamlessly integrated into animation, making it more efficient and creative. So it empowers animators to create realistic characters, streamline tasks, enhance storytelling, and simplify world building. As the future unfolds, AI promises even more captivating storytelling experiences. Whether you're a pro animator or just a fan, AI is shaping a bright future for animation, promising more immersive and accessible storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.